Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. It's Saturday early in the morning, and I'm starting it off with Dixie just to show you off where we closed last week's closer. And as you can see, we had our test for the third time into the $100 area, 101, 180, whatever. And we had a nice bullish engulfing close on Friday. That's where we got a little bit of a poke down from Ethereum and Bitcoin from their highs, but they are still sitting at their highs. And Dixie is now consolidating below, which is kind of something I expected, like a grind like this over here, and then a sideways and up. So the goal is for us to basically stay above 101.50. As long as that 101.50 is claimed, we can look for upside test into that 102.50 and then 103 and then 104 basically in time, and that's what I am basically targeting all for next week. I'm looking for this continuation up. If on Monday we get a smack down under that $100 level and get a close underneath, then obviously I'm wrong. But if on Monday we have continuation back up to the 102.50 and more, and we claim this 21 EMA, then I will be looking for upside. The negative thing I can tell you right now, which I was not looking for, was the 21 EMA crossing over this EMA, which is kind of signaling a death cross on a daily time frame. Meaning that when we do get up to here, it's going to be the first point of resistance for a smack back down. And then we got to try again, maybe like 2, 3 times before we finally do break up and out. If it's a consolidating scenario. If it's a continuation to the downside, you'll hit there and you'll get a nasty rejection. We'll lose the 101.50 and then close underneath it and then continue down. But right now, MACD, RSI, everything is giving me bullish divergence for upside. This is why I was so confident that we would hold this fib. And this was the part where they would be accumulating it over here, and it's looking like that's going to play out for now. So let's see what happens on Monday. And you got bullish divergence on MACD histogram. You got bullish divergence on MACD, the oscillators. You got bullish divergence on RSI. You have bullish divergence on a higher low on candles. So basically everything is looking good. I don't have volume, otherwise volume would be able to give us another clue. So moving forward, just keep that in mind, okay? Now I'm going to turn off all these drawings, and then we're going to go into our Bitcoin chart. Now I am short Bitcoin right around this level, ironically. I shorted that yesterday into close and we never basically moved. We're just doing this little doji, Death Star situation over here. MACD warning you, hey, you have a possible drop coming, and you have bearish divergence on MACD, okay? From here to here, that's bearish divergence, so be ready. And your RSI is warning you, you have divergence. Be ready. Dixie looking like it's turning around and going to the upside. Be ready. So those are 3 warnings for downside to come. And what else was I trying to actually point out? Oh, CME. So CME closed around exactly where we're at right now. So we have no despairing gap to basically arbitrage. And looking at the daily coming off overbought conditions, I would be considering a support test of around 29,700 and see if that is going to hold. If it doesn't, 28,800 would be where I would be looking for a test. And then a little bit of sideways there, because losing that level would mean that we're probably going to go test lower into 26.5. If we can just hold 28.8 and go sideways, it will give us an opportunity to go back and test those higher levels, like such as 35K. But that will only come if Dixie continues its downward path into open on Sunday. So be ready and aware of that. Right now, there's so many people that are FOMOed into the market on high leverage that a little bit of a slap down is not unwarranted. Even if there are shorts that are building, they'll poke it up a little bit just to take them out and then bring it back down. So be aware of that, okay? Let's go to a 4-hour time frame so we can take a peek a little bit deeper. So 4 hours giving me a different signal. As you're up on this plateau situation, 4 hours saying that, yeah, you came off overbought conditions and you're basically in a bearish divergence situation. Histogram and MACD is telling you, yeah, downside is to continue on a 4-hour open and close basis. Okay, and the bearish divergence is growing. So even though we're going sideways here, the sells are getting heavier and harder. Now, if we do not break this 21 EMA at 30,100, then you have no fear of this to go down. As long as this $30,100 level holds, you will probably reset the oscillators going sideways, and then you'll get another attempt to break up after like another candle close, another 4-hour open and close. So in this 4-hour candle, if you cannot close under 30,100, then keep in mind that you have the potential of um, continuing your upside swing. So that's all I want to say on that. If you do hold your 4-hour above 30,500, I'd be looking for that 31,000 even, and then 32.5, and then 35,000 psychological number. And then if you lose this $30,000 level, I would be looking for the 29.2, and then probably the 28.6 or something like that we were talking about, right? Yeah, 28.6. Yeah, 28.8, sorry, 28.8. And we should use that as support and then sideways and up. All right, now let's go look at my baby ETH. I am not in a position in ETH right now, ironically. I will take a short, actually, right as we're on this phone, I will get into my short. And I'm going to take it at 21.1, and I should have done it at 21.150, but I was not awake. Here. Okay. Okay. Open short. Okay, 2106 is what I'm gonna get. I'm basically getting it right over here. The goal of today is not to close under 20,700 or 2070. If you close under this 2070, then the downside test will come probably quick. We could go all the way to 1950 again, and it still would not be a bad thing. It would just be testing of support, and you could go right back up from there. Just be very, very aware that that is a possibility. Worst case, I mean, you could even go to 2160, take the liquidity of the previous day high, and then roll on over. That's the kind of mean stuff that is doing right now. So please be aware of that. Oh, I just realized. Oh. 2105.75 is my short entry because it did not fill my other one. So I'm basically short right here, right now, in this video. I'm waiting for daily to close under 2070 to confirm my short. If it goes above 2150 to 2160-ish, I'll DCA into my short, and I'm looking to take profit at 2000 to 1950 and scooping along in this level to right back up while I am hedged with my short. So just keep that in mind. Sorry, I didn't turn off that thing. That's what I'm looking for on a daily. Daily is actually looking like it's still got room for the upside. It's closing the bullish control zone, closing outside the Bollinger Band. So daily looks like it's got a little bit of juice, okay? It's not like Bitcoin looking a little bit weak. Daily's got some juice. Let's go to a 4-hour time frame. Okay, so 4-hour time frame is giving you a little bit of a different picture. Yeah, you're in bullish control zone. Yes, you're bullish, but the RSI and MACD is trying to warn you, yo, you're coming off overbought conditions. You better be ready for a test of the 21 EMA, which is around 2025 to 2025 to 2000. And volume wise, you're at bearish divergence as well, man. So you got three indicators telling you you're kind of starting to top out. Quick wick up to take the liquidity, maybe even to 2180, 2190, and then a rollover should be feasible because you're still gliding on the overbought condition. So a poke up, take that liquidity from the shorts, then roll on over and take the liquidity from the over leveraged longs is a very logical play to look for into this 4-hour close and into the new 4-hour open. And that's probably what I'm going to be looking for as well. So that's what we're going to be trading off of today, guys. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please leave it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you in the next one. Any one of you guys who was there on the live session for Candace's order flow presentation for exocharts. I mean, that was a very, very informative session. He recorded it. When he posted, I don't know, but stuff like that is what gives you a winning edge over all the other retail traders out there. The significance of how he pointed out confluence of three different things pointing at the same levels, you can't ask for any better trade setup. Like, everyone's like long here, short here, do this or do that. No, fool. Look at what he just showed you. If you can understand how to do that, you can trade forever any asset. No matter what you do, you're going to print money. Okay? So Exo charts, Candace University, episode 1 coming soon. And if you're interested in joining us live trading, please feel free to join us on the Discord server. Link to the Discord server is in the description of this video below, alongside with all the other affiliate services that we use and recommend and help make this channel grow. So thank you for your support. I greatly appreciate it. If you have any other questions or concerns, leave it on the comment section below or talk to me directly at the Discord server. I'll see you there after this video, and I will start my weekend warrior mode. So see you soon. Have a great day, and I hope to trade with you. Bye-bye.